Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a hopping frog. So for this you need a rectangular paper, so you need to fold it in half. Our first step will be this. Open it and then fold it like this. Compress, fold it, and compress. So you need to cut here, this part, like this. After cutting your paper, you're going to open it and from down to up, fold it and press down. Also the other side. Compress it. And you're going to open it. From down to up, you're going to fold it. Squash it. Open it. And by the help of your fingers, you're going to do like this. Firstly, by your fingers, compress here and then squash. Also do the other side, opposite side, and then squash. Now you're going to fold this to here. You're going to grab this to here. Do the same thing to the other side. Turn it over and then fold it to here. You're doing this folding according to this line. Fold it and then you're going to fold this part to here. When we fold it, we look the left and right side. We have two pockets, right? So put this paper to these pockets. And then turn it over. You're going to wrap this here. Also the other side. When we look here, we have a line. Then you're going to fold this part until this line. Compress it, and our jumping frog is ready. See you.